Are you currently facing financial challenges or at the beginning of your financial journey?
In terms of money, we have no money.
Regardless of your situation, this video is designed to provide you with the essential steps for enhancing your financial well-being and mastering money management. So if you're striving for a more secure financial future or aiming to better manage your funds, make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Transform your mindset. Your money mindset is your attitude, beliefs, thoughts, and feelings about money and financial matters. Your money mindset can greatly influence your financial decisions, behaviors, and outcomes. And your money mindset is often shaped by your parents, friends, cultural influences, and experiences with money. Some mindsets believe investing is too complex and risky, while others see material possessions as a source of happiness and status. Regardless of your current mindset, realize that it can change over time through self-awareness, education, and intentional efforts. Mindsets you want to strive for are the abundance mindset, financial responsibility mindset, delayed gratification mindset, frugal mindset, and the millionaire mindset. You can develop a healthier and more positive money mindset simply by reading personal finance books, blogs, and forums like Reddit, or watching personal finance YouTube and TikTok videos. Even your circle of friends can play a big role in your money mindset. Like the saying goes, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. So make sure you hang around with the right people and follow the right influencers, because the mind is the most powerful asset we have. Step 2. Set financial goals. A financial goal is just any plan you have with your money. There's 3 types of financial goals. Short-term, like paying off credit card debt, saving for an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. Mid-term goals, like saving for a down payment on a house or paying off student loans. And long-term goals, like saving for your children's education or retirement. Once you choose your financial goal, you'll need to make a plan to accomplish it, because a goal without a plan is just a wish. If you don't know how to set and achieve financial goals, check out my step-by-step financial goals guide. Click the link up here or look for the link in the video description below. One of the most important factors in achieving your financial goals is knowing how much you can put towards your goals and how to maximize it, which brings us to our next step in improving your financial health. Step 3, making a budget and sticking to it. A budget doesn't need to be cumbersome and restricting. It's just a spending plan for your money that helps you understand your income and expenses. You'll know where every dollar comes from and where every dollar is going. This way you can identify areas where you can cut back or optimize. When you have a budget, you can properly allocate resources for your goals and achieve them efficiently. Now there's various budgeting methods to choose from, including the 50-30-20 budget, the cash envelope system, the zero-based budget, and the pay yourself first budget. The budget you choose will depend on how much time you want to spend budgeting, how you get paid, and your current spending habits. Once you make a budget, you'll know exactly how much you can contribute to your financial goals and how long it will take you to reach them. Every month, update and refine your budget to optimize your financial journey. Step 4, learn efficient money saving techniques. Money is just a tool used to trade for goods and services. So the more efficiently you can do this, the more money you can save. This doesn't mean you need to be stingy or cheap. This means you need to be frugal and thrifty. A frugal person makes the smartest decision with their money to maximize its potential. They don't have all the money in the world, so they allocate their money to things that they need and value the most. They value quality and are not wasteful. A thrifty person will sacrifice a bit of time if it means they can save money, like fixing or repairing items, do it or make it yourself projects, hunting for the best bargains, and cooking at home. There's many different tips and tricks you can do every day to save money and stretch your dollar further. The best thing you can do is learn and implement as much as you can. YouTube is full of content that will teach you how to be frugal and thrifty and overall help you save money. You can start off by checking out my Saving Money playlist, which includes the ultimate guide to save money on all expenses. Step 5, build an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net during unexpected crises like a car breaking down, roof leaking, or losing your job. This can be your first financial goal. Allocate a portion of your budget towards building this fund. This is where the new mindset and money saving skills come in. Reduce the other categories in your budget and increase funding your emergency fund. The first goal with an emergency fund should be at least $2,000. You need to reach this goal as soon as possible. You can do this by sacrificing sacrificing more unnecessary spending, finding ways to increase your income, and selling anything you're not using anymore. Once you reach your goal of $2,000, you can ease off the gas pedal and create your next emergency fund, which will be saving for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. And depending on your personal situation, you may want to increase your emergency funds even more. Step 6, eliminate debt. If you have debt, this can be another financial goal. Debt, especially high interest debt, is one of the biggest wealth killers. Included in your budget should be all your debt obligations, credit cards, line of credits, personal loans, car loans, etc. While minimum payments maintain your credit history, adopting a more aggressive approach is the only way to pay it off. The two most popular options is the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first, offering a sense of accomplishment and motivation. The avalanche method targets high interest debts, minimizing overall interest costs, and may help you pay off debt sooner. Once you pay off your debts, you will have more discretionary income to put towards your other financial goals. To help you pay off debt sooner, get rid of that car payment and buy a used car for cash. Step 7, boost your income. Strive to increase your income whenever feasible. Negotiating raises, working extra hours, exploring new employment opportunities, or enhancing skills through education can all lead to income growth. Even consider a part-time job on top of your full-time employment to provide short-term income boosts. Another way to increase your income is to start a side hustle. This can include freelancing, food delivery, Uber, drop shipping, flipping for profit, snow clearing, content creator, mowing lawns, etc. A side hustle can also help you bring in some extra income, but it won't likely replace your full-time job. For significant income increases, think about starting your own business. Your potential for increasing your income is virtually unlimited. But the thing is, if you fail to manage your own finances, it's going to be even harder to manage a business. So take care of your own financial health before starting a business. Step 8, increase your credit score. This is another step you should work on as soon as possible. Your credit score is very important when it comes to debt and loans. Leverage is a powerful tool that the rich use to get richer. And if you want the best interest rates for loans like a mortgage, car, rental property, or a business, you'll need to have the best credit scores. The best way to increase your credit score is to take out credit like credit cards and line of credits and don't miss any payments. Simple as that. But what really makes your credit score high is doing this for a long period of time. So start building your credit as soon as possible, but first make sure you're financially responsible enough to pay all of your credit obligations, because even one missed payment can leave a long-term damage to your credit score. Step 9, invest. Investing is simply putting your money to work so it can make more money. Once you have paid your high interest debt and built an emergency fund, it's time to start investing. How you invest will depend on the financial goal, timeline, and ultimately your personal situation. Appropriate assets for short-term goals will be assets like cash, GICs, short-term bonds, and high-interest savings ETFs. Appropriate assets for long-term goals will include stocks, ETFs, private equity, and real estate. Earned income and savings can only take you so far. If you really want to grow your wealth, you need to invest. And this doesn't just mean the stock market or in real estate. You can invest in yourself with education and learning new skills, or invest in your own business and create your own employment. Step 10, build passive income sources. This is an income source that requires minimal effort to keep generating income. When you work, you're essentially trading your time for money. So time is money. But time is the most precious asset and is considered priceless. You can make all the money in the world, but you only have so much time. This is why it's important to have sources of income that doesn't require all of your time. There are two main ways to build passive income, with time or with money. Passive income that requires time to initially build includes affiliate marketing, selling stock photos, apps, digital media, books, online courses, copyrights, trademarks, and any business you build in general that you can outsource the work. Passive income that requires money to create include dividend stocks, rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, or just passive businesses in general. You can only work so many hours a day. If you really want to build wealth and get your freedom back, you need to build passive income sources so you can make money all the time, even in your sleep. The ultimate goal with money is to have enough to afford the lifestyle you want while having enough time to live it. The sooner you address your financial health, the sooner you can accomplish this. So follow these 10 steps and keep educating yourself to keep improving your personal finances. You can do this by watching one of the videos on the right of the screen. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep making money moves. Peace.